This is a, let us go back again to the, this is the Union Pacific app. And that is the container, the trailer, the chassis, the bobtail. I put the container, the number on the, if you look from the window here, that is 533209. I put the chassis, if you look from the back window, in the bottom, this is the chassis number. And we have to say load. If you say empty, it's not going to take it. For some reason, I have it in an empty trailer, but you have to say load. Load means not the load inside the trailer. The trailer itself is a load, so you have to say load. There is no, the seal, I have no seal, so I'm going to put any number. Doesn't matter, 3, 2, 5, whatever. This number doesn't matter. It's from Salt Lake City or England. They ask you, do you have any defects? And the chassis, I say no. As you said, this was already billed. Billed means I asked my manager to do the billing on it because it's going on the rail. So we'll say next. I ask you to check the review the information. This is the drop off. This is the container number. This is the chassis number. This is load seal number. It's a fake number, a dummy number. That is the location, Salt Lake City, Utah, and that is the company name, and that is the date, and that is the check-in. When you if the company paid the money, you are going to have a number. Perfect. It is confirmed. So all we have to do now is to go inside the rail. This is the rail. So when we get inside the rail, it's going to give you a location. So we are going to wait until we get inside the rail. The temperature now is 71. It's a beautiful weather now. We're in the beginning of the fall. Still September 17th. The fall officially starts in 4 days. Here say dead end. How bad is the dead end? Can you make a turn from that dead end? Let us go to the dead end. I assume there will be a circle at the end where you can make it a full turn. is a very compliant driver. She went all the way, or he went all the way to the end to make a turn. That's very nice to see people doing that. This is the back of the Union Pacific. Making a turn here from a dead end. Bio fire. That's physics. FedEx home delivery. That one, her baby. Yummy, yummy, yummy. He's asking me, what are you doing here? It's money when it's shaky. These are just 5-3. Where is the damn thing? Right here. Check the location. Brown, the same. Where are we going? We're going to a spot in the brown lane, location 1087. This is the red lane that we are in now. Next to the red is blue. This one is the blue. The other side is the green. The brown is the other side of the rail. Very quiet. They are getting ready here for the train that's coming. This train comes, those are ready to pick up, to get the container from the train to put them on this chassis. Look at the side here, all that is getting ready for the train that's coming. It comes every day at the same time. And that is the shop, I think. That is the shop, the Union Pacific shop. It only fixes the chassis. That is the green and that is the brown. And the green is working. Seven. That is working location. And here is 783. Wonder where is the exhaust? If you look at the top of this container, this screen, the exhaust is all the way at the top. It has a circle on it. I can magnify it for you here, right here. It has a circle, a cap on it. When it kicks the exhaust out, you can see it. It has a very faint exhaust coming out of it. The top right here, you can see it now. Perfect, yeah, you can see it now. This is the diesel engine. And that comes up when the crane is moving. When he pushes his feet on the accelerator, the exhaust come out. Comes out of course, the exhaust comes out all the time, but it becomes more thick when you push your foot, when you accelerate more. Sun is in my eyes. This is an Arabic شركة الملاحة العربية المتحدة. He has the right of the way. 900, 999, 997. Now we are in the thousand. 2087. Why would anybody put a trailer so awkward? This trailer needs to go in, not out. This caused an accident. That's stupid. It's swift. This chunk of trailers, I think they have a different story. They might have a long storage here. Our trailer is right here in front. I think mine is next to it. Mine is 1087. Yeah, 1087. This is the one I brought earlier. 1083, 1085. Yeah, right here, 1086, 1087 is right here. That's 1087. It's a very nice slot because I can have an enormous place to back into it. I'll just put my blinker. Very good setting.